I gotta get this shit out of here. We gotta go. We're gonna be late. Alright. It's a little wet out today, ladies and gentlemen. It is a little bit wet. Little bit of wet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. That'll work. I got almost everything I need. Okay. Photos. Top of the morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, my dudes and dudettes, ladies and gents. Boys and girls. It's a little wet outside today. No good. Super foggy. Yeah, my visor's already super wet. It's gonna be kind of crappy getting to work today, but that's all right. That's part of being a biker. I can't even see my dash. You guys can't see it, but I'm using my finger as a windshield wiper right now. Oh, it was interesting today, waking up. I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule. So last night I went to sleep around 7 p.m. And then I woke up around 2 a.m. And then I went back to sleep around 6 a.m. And then I woke up around 9:08, and I have to be at work at 9:30. So I'm running a little bit behind, but that's okay, because I'll probably still be the first person there. Should have just run it. Dang. Should have just run it. Hey, but we're recording and we're being good drivers. Oh yeah. Try to get that guy cleaned off so y'all can see. Yeah. Yeah. Not too much going on other than the new camera and the new mic. I did not get the chance because it was raining all day yesterday, and I did not want to get soaking wet on my off day. I did not get the chance to return the lavalier mic, but I will eventually purchase a new one, or I may just get the receiver for this guy and then find a better place to put it. Other than that, yeah, homie is licensed now, so he can ride on the road. So he's been getting on the Rebel. As you can see, we don't have any fuel in here because we did not fill it up on the way home from a cruise the other day. But this is good old reliable, so this is old daily, so I'm not taking the other bike to work. Every once in a while I will, but no. We do have, this is our last week coming to this location. But this coming up Sunday, I start at a different location. On my off day, I did swing by just to see, you know, the commute, how it's going to be. We're pretty much taking this road to the new job. Taking this road for like 40 minutes straight. Pretty much. I mean, the only reason it's 40 minutes is because of like stoplights and traffic and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much a 45-minute drive. So it's not too shabby. I've done worse drives for less money. It's going to be kind of like my learning experience for my job, because I'm only familiar with one location. I want to see what it's like at a different location, and if I do end up liking it, I'll probably end up remote. So just kind of play it by ear, see how it goes. And then the other homie did get his Z900, so this whole past week, the reason I haven't been filming this much, number one, because of the mic, number two, because there was just a lot of the same old thing. Not anything crazy, just super chill cruises. So I didn't really post much of anything on that regard, because we were doing the same thing. I mean, 5-10 miles under the speed limit, getting people accustomed to being on bikes, and you know, them accustomed to being on their new bikes, and the whole 9 yards. So it just really didn't end up being a whole lot of content for you guys. So I just didn't end up editing much of it. But now that we got the camera, oh yeah, should be a little different. Obviously, I'm gonna have to scrub over this footage as well, but we will definitely be doing that. So there we go. Well, we are approaching the infamous turn, so thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me on my cruise to work. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you're, for all my coffee drinkers out there, your first sip of coffee is divine. Unfortunately, as a biker, being only a biker, I do, without a car, I should say, I do ride in every weather. So, you know, we got the frog togs on today, so we're still dry, but it's going to be difficult for the camera sometimes. So thank y'all for coming out. I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.